Hi guys, how's everyone doing today? Thanks so much for hanging out with me. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Zita, and on my channel I'll be sharing a variety of DIYs with you, such as thrift store makeovers, upcycles. I'll be doing some room makeovers and thrift flips for resale, some home decorating, and I'm also going to share some recipes with you guys every now and again. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and also click that notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload a new video. The more DIY friends we have, the better. And you can also follow me over on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Etsy at OakWell Home. For this next DIY, I'm going to be working on these coasters that I picked up at a thrift store. I think I got these at the Habitat for Humanity as well, and I showed these in my thrift haul video. So if you haven't seen that, I'll leave that in the description box as well. And I think I paid a few bucks for these. The colors were nice, but I don't know, maybe they would have been nice for summer, but wanted to do a black and white botanical on these, so I painted them all up with an interior paint that I have, and I used a sponge brush there, and I actually had to do 3 coats of paint on these to cover up that red and blue print on there. So here I'm using a Tim Holtz Botanical rice paper, and I cut that out with scissors. I did try that fabric cutter there as well, but found the scissors worked best. So after I got those all cut out in the shape of the coasters, I applied some Mod Podge and put the paper on the Mod Podge, and then I just smoothed that out with a plastic bag. And right here I'm using a makeup brush for the Mod Podge. I find those are sometimes nice because they're softer, and especially when you're applying the Mod Podge on the top, and it doesn't rip the paper as easily. So as you can see there, I'm using a plastic bag just to kind of smooth it out once I have the first layer of Mod Podge on there. And after I have all the Mod Podge applied to all of these coasters, I do let them dry overnight, and I apply the second coat of Mod Podge the next day. And before I applied that second coat of Mod Podge, I sanded the edges to get that excess paper off there. So right here I'm applying that second coat of Mod Podge. Isn't that botanical print beautiful, guys? So these are going to be a Christmas gift for someone. I almost wanted to keep them for myself, but I have a lot of coasters already, so I'm going to let these go as a Christmas gift for one of my friends or family. But I absolutely love these. I might have to do a set for myself sometime. And I also did do a set of nesting tables in this rice paper, which turned out absolutely beautiful. The nesting tables were a red cherry color, and I painted them white and put this botanical rice paper on top, and they turned out absolutely beautiful. So I'll leave that video in the description box as well. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I really appreciate you being here. Please consider hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that notification bell for more videos like this one. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.